Subscribe to our YouTube channel and press the bell icon for the latest updates. How to change ringtone on Truecaller app. Go to your phone menu, find the Truecaller app and click on it. Click on the left menu. Scroll down and go to Settings. Click on Sounds. Now click on Tap to give Truecaller permission to change the ringtone. Toggle the button next to Allow permission to turn it on. Now go back to Truecaller app. Click on the name of the existing ringtone. Select your preferred ringtone. That's it. Ringtone has been changed. This is how you can change the ringtone on Truecaller app. Thank you for watching.